What if your drone could think, track, and shoot cinematic 8K footage all at the same time? In 2026, AI-powered drones aren't just flying cameras anymore. They're intelligent tools built for professionals and serious creators who demand precision, clarity, and control. From advanced subject tracking to smarter flight decisions and stunning ultra-high-resolution video, these drones are changing how content is captured from the sky. If you're searching for the best 8K AI drones that actually deliver real-world performance, you're in the right place. Stay with us, because the top picks ahead might completely change how you see aerial filmmaking. Number 1. Introducing the Antigravity A1, a next-gen 8K AI drone built for creators who want full control in the air. Think of it less like a traditional drone and more like a wearable smart mouse or a futuristic controller. Every movement feels intentional, precise, and responsive. Its standout 360-degree flight capability allows it to move freely in any direction, opening up creative angles that were nearly impossible just a few years ago. Powered by advanced onboard AI, the Antigravity A1 can intelligently track subjects, adjust framing in real time, and maintain smooth, stable flight even in complex environments. For filmmakers, this means cinematic 8K footage with less manual correction. For content creators, it means faster setups, smarter shots, and more time focusing on storytelling instead of controls. Whether you're capturing action sports, cinematic landscapes, or high-end commercial footage, the A1 adapts like a smart extension of your hand. Looking ahead to 2026, this drone fits perfectly into a future where drones are smarter, smaller, and more personal. It's built for creators who value speed, portability, and intelligent automation without sacrificing image quality. If you're ready to move beyond standard flight and take full creative control of the sky, this is a drone worth watching closely. Number 2. Meet the HOVERAir X1 Pro, an 8K AI drone designed to feel less like a machine and more like a wearable smart mouse for the sky. Instead of complex controls, it behaves like a futuristic controller that understands motion, distance, and timing, giving creators intuitive control from the moment it lifts off. Compact and lightweight, it's built for fast setups and smooth flights, making it ideal for solo creators who want professional results without a full crew. At the core of the X1 Pro is intelligent AI flight paired with sharp 8K recording, allowing it to capture detailed cinematic footage while actively tracking subjects and adjusting framing in real time. Whether you're filming travel content, action shots, lifestyle videos, or social media storytelling, it follows naturally and keeps footage stable and centered. It's especially powerful for creators who want hands-free operation, letting the drone act like an extension of their movement rather than something they constantly manage. Looking ahead to 2026, the HOVERAir X1 Pro fits perfectly into a future where drones are smarter, smaller, and more personal. It's built for creators who value speed, portability, and intelligent automation without sacrificing image quality. Simple to use, powerful in results, and designed for the next generation of content creation, the X1 Pro proves that the future of aerial filming is lighter, smarter, and always ready to fly. Number 3. DJI Inspire 3, a cinema-grade 8K AI drone built for creators who demand absolute control and uncompromising image quality. This isn't just a drone, it feels like a futuristic controller or a wearable smart mouse for professional filmmaking, where every movement in the air translates into precise, intentional shots on screen. Designed for high-end productions, it delivers the kind of visual depth, dynamic range, and stability that serious creators expect. At the heart of the Inspire 3 is a powerful cinema-grade camera system capable of capturing stunning 8K footage with natural colors and cinematic detail. Its advanced AI flight intelligence helps maintain smooth motion, accurate tracking, and confident navigation in complex environments. For filmmakers, commercial creators, and production teams, this means cleaner shots, fewer retakes, and more creative freedom during real-world shoots. Whether it's narrative filmmaking, documentaries, commercials, or large-scale events, the Inspire 3 adapts like an extension of the operator's vision. Looking ahead to 2026, this drone represents where professional aerial filmmaking is headed: smarter tools, tighter control, and uncompromising quality. Built for crews who treat drones as filmmaking instruments rather than gadgets, the DJI Inspire 3 sets a new standard for what cinema-grade aerial storytelling should feel like. If you're aiming for the highest level of creative control in the sky, this is where the future begins. Number 4. Introducing the Autel EVO 8K, a professional AI drone built for creators who want serious image quality with intuitive control. Think of it like a wearable smart mouse for the sky, or a futuristic controller that responds smoothly to every movement, giving pilots and filmmakers confidence in every shot. Designed around 8K Ultra HD capture, it delivers sharp detail, natural color, and flexibility for high-end post-production workflows. Powered by intelligent flight systems, the EVO 8K uses AI to assist with stable tracking, smooth navigation, and reliable performance in complex environments. That makes it a strong choice for filmmakers, commercial creators, and aerial photographers who need consistent results without slowing down production. From cinematic landscapes to professional real estate, documentaries, and branded content, it adapts quickly to different shooting styles and creative demands. Looking toward 2026, the Autel EVO 8K fits perfectly into a future where drones are smarter, more responsive, and built as creative tools, not just flying cameras. With powerful imaging, intelligent control, and a pro-focused design, it stands as a dependable choice for creators who take aerial storytelling seriously. Meet the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a professional aerial imaging drone built for creators who want top-tier results without a heavy setup. Think of it like a wearable smart mouse for the sky, or a futuristic controller that feels instantly familiar, small, precise, and incredibly responsive. Designed for advanced creators and professionals, it delivers high-end imaging power in a compact, travel-ready form. With advanced AI flight assistance and professional-grade camera performance, the Mavic 4 Pro captures detailed cinematic footage while helping maintain smooth movement and accurate subject tracking. It's built for creators who shoot everything from commercial content and documentaries to travel films and high-end social media. The intelligent systems handle stability and framing, so pilots can focus more on creative decisions and less on manual controls. Looking toward 2026, this drone represents where professional aerial imaging is headed: portable, intelligent, and deeply connected to the creator's workflow. Compact yet powerful, smart yet easy to control, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro proves that professional aerial filmmaking doesn't have to be complicated to be exceptional. Number 6. Potensic Atom 2, a lightweight AI drone built for creators who value freedom, simplicity, and smart design. It feels less like a traditional drone and more like a wearable smart mouse or a futuristic controller, easy to guide, quick to respond, and comfortable to use even for long shooting sessions. Its compact build makes it perfect for creators who want to travel light without giving up creative control. The Atom 2 uses intelligent flight assistance to help maintain stable movement, smooth tracking, and reliable footage, making it ideal for travel videos, social media content, and everyday creative projects. Its lightweight design allows for fast takeoffs and easy handling, while the AI system helps manage framing and motion, so creators can focus on the shot instead of constant adjustments. For newer pilots and experienced users alike, it delivers a balanced experience that feels intuitive and stress-free. Looking ahead to 2026, the Potensic Atom 2 represents the growing demand for smarter, more portable drones that fit naturally into a creator's workflow. It's built for a future where drones are personal tools, not complex machines. Simple, agile, and thoughtfully designed, the Potensic Atom 2 proves that sometimes the smartest technology is the one that feels effortless to use.
Thanks for watching. Which one would you choose? Like, subscribe, and comment for more smart tech and future gadgets.